Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zendesk chat widget for streamlined customer experience, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure the Zendesk chat widget for a streamlined customer experience, start by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the admin center from the dashboard. In the left sidebar, locate and select the Channels option. Under Channels, find and click on Web Widget. Now, choose the Chat tab within the Web Widget settings. Activate the chat feature by toggling the switch to on. Next, customize your chat widget's appearance by clicking on the Appearance section. Here, you can adjust colors, fonts, and sizes to match your brand identity. Once you are satisfied with the appearance, move to the Behavior settings. Set your availability options to ensure customers know when they can expect a response. Enable features such as pre-chat forms to gather essential information from users. Consider implementing triggers to automate responses for common inquiries. Next, navigate to the Targeting section to define when and where your chat widget appears on your website. Customize targeting rules based on pages, user behavior, or specific timeframes. After setting up targeting, check the advanced settings for additional customization options. Integrate the chat widget with other tools or software if required, for enhanced functionality. Preview the chat widget to see how it looks on different devices. Once you're satisfied with your configurations, save all changes. Finally, test the chat widget on your website to ensure everything functions smoothly. This completes the configuration of your Zendesk chat widget for an optimized customer experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.